Real business doesn't happen in isolation. It happens across connected entities, processes, and teams. That's why OpenText Content Aviator has the ability to understand an entire network of business workspaces and how they relate to each other. For example, typically after starting with an RFP, it moves to contracts, then purchase orders, and then projects, each represented here in its own business workspace within the knowledge graph. Each workspace contains structured content, business data, roles, permissions, and metadata. More importantly, every workspace knows how it connects to the others. A contract is linked to a vendor. A purchase order references that contract. A project ties back to the purchase order. This is not just document storage. This is a business data model in action, a model OpenText Content Aviator understands. Imagine a procurement specialist facing an urgent repair request. A specific material, R9020, is needed fast. Starting at the top level, the procurement specialist asks, which vendors supply material R9020? Content Aviator returns 21 vendors and automatically shifts the chat context to those vendor workspaces. Now, every follow-up question is grounded in those 21 entities. There's no time to review them all, so the specialist asks, do any of them provide emergency roofing repair services? Content Aviator identifies Zebra supplies. With one click, deep linking takes the user directly to the relevant contract language with highlighted proof. Contact details are immediately available. Now let's see another Content Aviator tool in action. This time, the request is simple. Find vendor Zebra. Content Aviator switches the context of the chat, takes the user directly to the Zebra workspace, and supplies the relevant prompt buttons for that user and the workspace. Now the procurement specialist can ask about the urgent repair request and the R9020 material needed. Behind the scenes, Content Aviator follows the relationships between vendor, contracts, and materials to deliver the answer. That's the knowledge graph at work. That's AI in context.